Nikki Kalamambang welcoming the bards. The bards invited to grace the festival are welcomed by the feast chief. Antipala Dubai and Gawai old smoked skulls are brought to the feast. Jandang Raya music is played at the procession marches along the gallery. The skulls and the warrior guests are also served with rice wine. If any guests brought their old smoked skulls to the feast, as custom requires, the bard who carry them will start to sing the timing and Antipala chants as they lead the procession of the guests into the longhouse and along the gallery.